Everyone always asks me, Ashley, what's the proper way to assemble the rocket engine? I don't even know, and my name isn't Ashley. What I know well is how to create highly converting video ads using AI. Holy shit, guys. This is how the $600 billion ad industry ends. Higgsfield ads just dropped, turning any product photo into a pro-grade commercial clip in minutes for just a few bucks. In this video, I'll show you 10 wild examples and walk you through how to try it yourself. Let's dive in. Alright guys, this is really epic. Higgsfield, which is one of the coolest AI to create amazing transitions and Hollywood-style camera shots, just dropped short ads, and it's gonna disrupt the advertising industry big time. And these are all new templates that you can try and create your own ads for TikTok, viral videos, Facebook ads, you name it. Here are the 10 wildest examples that were made in Higgsfield. We start with The Rock, who is next one. We have Coca-Cola ads. Coca-Cola becomes a silver product in real time. Next we got Scalper's Rock Explosion. Looks really epic. Even if you're a monk, it's time for you to have a break with Kit Kat. Next one we have Snickers. And now we have cartoon style Coca-Cola ad. Now we have Tom Ford Lost Children. And finally Mickey Mouse running around for Oreo ads. And the best part, you can create your own ads like that in just few clicks. Step number 1, go to Higgsfield and then click ads. It's a new section on top, and then choose the format that you like. Let's try water drops, for example. Now all you need to do is just upload an image of your product. I'm gonna use an image of my imaginary soft drink called Ashley Cola, and then hit generate. And boom, here is the result. It's already looking like a TV commercial. Super crisp, super professional, slow-mo. Here are a couple of other examples that I really like. This one is a pure luxury. And this one is an energy drink template. It's filling with energy, looks really cool. Next one is a high fashion one. Now we have Italian brain rot ballerina cappuccino sinking in coffee. Sometimes Higgsfield goes completely wild, like here we're sinking in bottles with extra hand. So yeah, you can just regenerate. It happens with any AI. No worries. Oh, and this one is super cool. We crash it. Yeah, Higgsfield really crashed this one. And here we have little people cooking headset. Ashley Cola in lava. Yeah, lava chicken. Next one, I try water bottle going on fire in the frame. Your imagination can go completely wild here. And finally, we dropped our Ashley Cola in water. And of course, if you want to have full creative freedom and don't want to use the templates, you can still use traditional Higgsfield tools and camera controls. For example, here on the left, you can upload your image, and then you can choose the camera movement, for example, eyes in, and hit generate, and here is the result. Very impressive to see, guys, and I'm very excited to see what other cool toys Higgsfield is gonna come up with in the nearest future. That's all for today. Let me know in the comments below which filters you used, which ads you created using Higgsfield. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next one. Take care. Bye.